In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create organizational chart in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll turn a simple list of people and their managers into a clean visual org chart that's easy to read and share. First, open your browser and head to Google. At the top right, click the grid-shaped app launcher. This opens Google's Apps menu. Choose Sheets to get into Google Sheets. If you already have the spreadsheet with your team information, open that document. Before we build the chart, make sure your data is laid out in a way Sheets understands. An organizational chart needs at least two columns, the first for each person's name, and the second for their manager or supervisor. The top person in the hierarchy should have a blank manager cell. If you have a third column with details like role or location, that can be used as a tooltip, but it's optional. Keep names consistent to avoid duplicates or typos that break the hierarchy. Now, highlight your data range. Include the rows that contain the names and their corresponding managers. If you have headers like name and manager, you can include them. The chart settings will let you treat the first row as headers if needed. With your data selected, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Chart. Sheets will create a default chart, and open the Chart Editor on the right. In the Chart Editor, open the Chart Type dropdown. Scroll to the section labeled Other and select Organizational Chart. As soon as you pick it, Sheets will transform your selection into an org chart. If something looks off, check the data range in the editor to be sure it includes exactly your names and managers. Also confirm that the first column is the person and the second is the manager. If you included headers, toggle the option to use row 1 as headers so they aren't interpreted as data. You can drag the chart's corners to resize it for better readability, and drag the chart itself to position it where you want on the sheet. A few quick tips. Shorter names fit better inside nodes, and consistent spelling prevents orphaned boxes. If you update the underlying cells, the chart refreshes automatically, so you can maintain your org over time without rebuilding it. That's it. You navigated to Google Sheets, opened your document, highlighted your data, inserted a chart, chose Organizational Chart under Other, and your hierarchy is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting your organization clearly in Google Sheets.